Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a task due date in Asana. Now, you can access your task either under a project or you can access it under your own task, right? So depending on where you access it, you can change it. So for example, under my task, you would see the due date right here. I can click on that and I can change the due date, right? So I can basically change the due date from here, right? Under, for example, the project itself, you will see as well that you have different views. So if you're using an overview, you will find the task. If you're using the list view, you will find the task, and you can just simplify the due date and you can make the changes as well. One cool thing is that if you're using a timeline view, you can go ahead and you can drag out that due date, or you just move the task to a different date. So as you can see, I can move it and I can just drag out the task, the dates, to make it longer or shorter. Whatever it might be, I can go ahead and I can do that. So these are some of the easiest way that you can go ahead and change the due date. Also, well, if you open up a task, you will find the due date as well. You can click there and you can just basically change the due date of that task, right? So that's how you can do it. Once you're done, you just basically need to click away and the due date changes on the task. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.